I update about my 3D printer projects related to my craft parts collection. So here are my first products. I am still experimenting, testing, so they are not totally finished. They are still in prototypes. I made this stand for displaying parts. Usually they are made in wood, but I haven't got a wood workshop. I am not Matthias Rondel, so I made this in 3D printing. The final model will be in wood color, but I did not receive a spool yet, so I did use whatever I had. There is a little bit of warping here, but it is not too bad, and the next time I will probably build a brim all around to avoid any warping. It is not too bad actually. My first attempt of printing a flat part was quite bad, but I figured out, and here I did print out little discs at the corners that I did cut after it, and it allowed to have a pretty nice result. The top surface is good. There is a hole here in the middle just to save on material. And I was not sure about how to do the screws, but with a good feeling you can just thread screws inside, in fact. So this is first model. I hope the final one will be better for a little bit of warping here, but for a first attempt I guess it is not too bad. And my main project has been this display stand for aircraft instrument. So for now I made it in two parts because it is easier to print in two parts. The most difficult thing was to align correctly all the screw holes. It looks like so, to have the thing fit perfectly, but I guess it is actually not too bad. It is done under Tinkercad, and the possibilities to measure precisely stuff is not so good, but I managed to get something decent. My problem here is these lines. I guess it is a retraction problem of the filament, so maybe I need to adjust a little bit some parameters, but it looks pretty decent. It is very steady. I did put my name on the back here. This connector cap is 3D printed also. The next model will probably be also in wood color, and I will probably cut the corners here. I will see, but so far it is not too bad, I guess. I need also to do a little bit of adjustment here. Another part I didn't print, it is something else. It is for my parents' house. They have at the windows they have this kind of little plastic water deflectors. Several of them are broken, and I printed a replacement one. So what I do not know if how this material will take the paint. But apart from this, I guess it is not too bad. This circular cut here in fact is optional. It was not totally necessary to do it, but I did do it. And after painting, I guess it will make no difference. And I need to make 10 of them or something like this. So I was not sure to print it flat or vertically. I found that with Kapton tape the finished surface, here there was a raft, but with Kapton tape you can get quite nice finished surface. So I will print them flat because it is a lot faster. Okay, so of course for each model of aircraft instrument I will have to redesign the thing, but for now I am searching the best path to do it. And anyway, I cannot make a display stand for every one of my aircraft instruments, just a few of them. This one is a really regular size, so it is why I did start with this one. And for random parts like this, each time I will need to design something custom, but I think this design is not bad. I like the corner I did make here, and will probably look good with wood color. So, thanks for watching, bye bye.